Very good.
Let me see you kick those little feet.
Sawyer kicking his feet in the water and paddling with his hands.
Oh. Good.
That's right. If he can keep his mouth out of the water,
He's drying.
yeah, he's drawn to drinking. Yes, he is. Oh my goodness. Why are you like that? Why are you obsessed with chlorine?
Why do you drink the water so much?
I give you enough water. My goodness. Weirdo.
See.
I don't even know I'm going.
Yay.
Here, I'll sit back so it looks like you're swimming.